Well, you see that little gizmo there? It works pretty good. It's if you have a problem with your laptop video card, it's going out. It's basically it's a USB to laptop. I mean to a monitor adapter. It works well. It actually works well. And what I found is, though, you want to put the video resolution at a lower resolution if you're watching videos. In other words, the monitor resolution, not necessarily the video resolution, the monitor resolution, because it doesn't keep up with it as well. And I think I just got the USB 2 version, not even the 3, but it works. And this is on an older laptop because I use older laptops also a lot of times because there's certain software I have that works only with XP. So I'm really using I'm using XP in Windows 7 in pretty much everything. I might even using Windows 8 or Windows 10. But if you got a broken video card, or if you want to, actually this is for if you want to display another monitor. So this is an old monitor, but I've just been using it. So it works well. It works well. I did pick up another laptop because I thought possibly this was not going to work, but it did work. And considering it's got the software on there that I need, I'm not going to transfer the other stuff onto the laptop. Actually, the laptop I picked up, that was another one, was a used Lenovo that was gone over well on the inside, and they're re-glued on with the heatsink material, the processor to the heatsink, and Lenovo makes pretty good laptops. They're pretty heavy duty. Found this out from experience. Sony and Lenovo actually, but this thing does work well. So that's all it is. And what you need to do first, is you don't plug the device in first. You just use the the supplied software that comes on a DVD or CD, whatever the hell it is, and you install the software first and you reboot. Then it'll recognize the device. Normally you'll have to reboot it twice because the first time you reboot it installs. You install the software, you reboot. You put the device in it, then it recognizes the device, it then installs the drivers, then you reboot and it works. But it does work well. And I was thinking, what the hell? Because how do you change a video card in a laptop unless, you know how to solder or something? And basically throw it the hell away. But, so, this thing will keep running for a long time here, I guess. But, I just keep buying laptops used. There's a little gold digger. Little cat. She's getting along with everybody pretty well in here. So anyway, I figured to pass this on. This little neat device really does work well. And like I said, if you want to, if I put I think if it works, if you have a, I don't even know what USB this is. It's an older laptop that was like rebuilt or something with a new drive. I got it from a few years ago, and the reason was because some of the software I have only works with XP. That was one of the reasons I got this. But you'll say, whatever. The reality is, it's not the latest, greatest. It's like you can be using software 15 years old, and it's what you do with it, okay? But the deal is that it probably would work better with a better USB version of this. So in other words, they got a 2.0 version, a 3.0 version, and a faster version. I think I just got the 2.0 version of the USB, but as long as you put the monitor display on a lower resolution, you can still watch high resolution videos without it, hanging up or, lagging or anything. So it does work very well. For all intents and practical purposes, this thing does work extremely well. I think it was like $42 or something. So, and you're thinking, well, you could buy a laptop for $150 or something, but the deal is, it's like aggravating that when you buy a laptop, there's so much software you have to put on it. You'll be investing probably 40 or 50 hours at time. I don't want to do that. I'd rather just fix it. As long as it works, I don't care.